In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stretch text in Canva. If you've ever wanted bold, eye-catching lettering that bends or expands to fit your layout, this is a quick and reliable way to get it done using a built-in app inside Canva. Start by opening your design in Canva so you can see your canvas and the side panel. We'll do everything from within the editor. On the left side, look for the Apps tab. This is where Canva keeps tools that extend what you can do with text and graphics. Click Apps to open it. Then use the search bar to look for an app called Typecraft. When it appears, open it. Typecraft is designed specifically for shaping text, so it saves a lot of time compared to trying to warp letters manually. Inside Typecraft, enter the text you want to style, and then choose a font that matches the mood of your project. Clean sans serifs tend to stretch neatly, while decorative fonts can create more dramatic shapes. Take a second to preview a couple of options so the stretched result stays readable. Next, look for the Wrap Effect section. You can pick one of the ready-made effects if you want a quick head start, or choose Custom to have full control over the shape. Custom is great when you need the text to fit a specific area or follow a certain direction. You'll see a grid with control points around your text. Click and drag those points to pull the text vertically or horizontally and create the stretch. Small, gradual drags usually look smoother than big jumps. Keep an eye on letter spacing and overall balance. If one side feels heavier, nudge the opposite points to even it out. Zooming in can help you make precise adjustments, and if something doesn't look right, simply drag the point back or undo the last move. Aim for enough stretch to make an impact while keeping the text clear at the size you'll use in your final design. Once you are happy with the shape and proportions, click Add Element to Design. Canva will place your newly stretched text onto your canvas as an element you can work with like any other. From here, you can position it, layer it with images or backgrounds, and continue with your layout knowing the core stretch is already set. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.